By the military laws and commands, all wounded people, soldiers, civilian, and enemies must be treated the same and only according to the severity of their injury. That is true. I was a part of the medical corps. About 2 weeks after I got to Gaza, Jeff told you I was a paramedic mostly in Gaza. I was called to treat a patient, a Palestinian terrorist who was actually arrested by the Israeli military. He was arrested and he was trying to resist the arrest, and he got shot in the chest. And I was called to treat him. And also in that raid, there was an Israeli soldier who was wounded. He was shot in the leg, so you know that's not that severe. And I came there. I was the only medical personnel there, and I just treated the Palestinian first. And he was I treated him. We intubated him. Me and my medics. We intubated him. We inserted a chest tube with it. We did all that, and then he was evacuated by a helicopter. Just think about the figures. It costs a lot of money to transport a person from one point to another with the helicopter. That's very expensive, and still he was transported by a helicopter, even though he was a terrorist. And actually, once you're injured in the Army code, there is only one word to use. We call it perach, and that's the only word you can use for an injured person. So you can't really refer if he is an enemy or not. You just call him the wounded person, so they can't really know. Evacuation options. The military has many vehicles to evacuate wounded soldiers to the hospital. Helicopters, ambulances, armored ambulances, APCs, which, if you don't know, are armored personnel carriers. And we even recently, I think 3 years ago, they made a tank ambulance. Excuse me, which is a tank who was modified as an ambulance. It can carry up to 2 patients. It's very not comfortable, but it works, and it helps you. And you know, those things save lives, because not many, but some medical personnel were killed while trying to treat some patients. I will discuss about that soon. Okay, as you can see here, some images. This is an armored ambulance. This is just a normal ambulance, but the military ambulance. It's a mobile intensive care unit, by the way. Those are small pictures, but you can see the APCs and how hard it is to actually get the patient outside of them.